What up, guys? Okay, I'm making another update on our positions and pretty much what's been going on in a recap of everything because we've been cooking lately. So let's break down. First off, this pump trade. Um, I said I was interested in pump. I showed you this pretty good entry model right here. And then as you can see, we retested these range highs here perfectly and then continued to leg up from that zone. So from our entry, pump is up about 35%. So absolutely nice gains there. I did end up taking off half of my position yesterday just because we are coming up to this high. And also, I'm not really sure on Bitcoin and what that's going to do, especially also indices. So I shaved half of this position off because I could almost see something like this happening on pump before we get to the main target, the previous month EQ. So that's pretty much it for the pump position. If you're in, I shaved off little profits. You definitely can still take some off here. I took mine off lower, like I think it was even like in this zone here. So you're still getting more percent gain than I was. So I cut half of it, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the pump update. Another coin that we were watching was Syrup, and Syrup is looking good. I still can't believe we never got stopped out of this trade. Um, Syrup is showing some strength. We're back in profits on the swing. Maybe stop loss break even. I didn't set it just yet. I'm gonna manually manage it, but if I do, I'm gonna post it on my Discord, and then I'll probably make another video about it as well. So that's it for Syrup. Let's see, what else do we have here? Okay, Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I just ended up taking a scalp short on Bitcoin. So if you want to know some lower time frame entry models, again, it's pretty much the range deviation. Um, but there was a key daily level that I had marked out, which was right here. And then pretty much today, just chopping around, come up, deviate above. Barely missed the daily level. So this is where I expected a lot of people to enter short as they were thinking it's an AMD and that this was just going to distribute down to these lows. And what ended up happening actually was we tapped back into the range high, swept it again, and properly tapped the daily. And then once I saw that, I saw these three bearish 30-minute candles, inversion. So I entered off there, pretty much no drawdown, targeting the previous day open, which is this line right here. A nice 2.5 RR trade. So if you're learning how to scout Bitcoin, this is a perfect example on how to do it. And then for the star of the show is our gold trade. This had to be probably my best my best commodity trade of the year. Beat my coffee trade. Um, just an absolute beauty. 6RR. I gave you guys this super early, like a week or two ago, and I said I'm entering gold longs. I'm very interested, showing the stop, have the main TP, and I was pretty confident the extended take profit would hit. Now we're getting retracement. Doesn't matter. I'm out of the trade. What a beautiful trade on gold. If you're not following long, you definitely should be paying attention because 6RR is very, very good. Another thing I'm watching out for is a range deviation on Euro USD. I know I was speaking about being in long somewhere down here, and then the previous Friday I closed them because I just want to wait for a deviation to either side before I'm interested in another trade here. But the main star of the show was gold, so that's pretty much it for this week. Nothing too crazy sticks out to me. Pretty much just waiting. Yep, Sol again, the zone we're talking about, 220 to 230 that I've been saying. Looks like it's gonna get hit. This short time frame price action is pretty bad, so I'm just leaving the high leverage trades alone. Pendle here as well. I want to see Pendle reclaim the yearly open before, I don't know why I have this on here, before I am interested in any longs. So if we get a nice reclaim of the yearly open, I'm definitely interested in longs on Pendle, and I'll update that. But personally, right now, I don't think there's any time for, or it's not the right time to put on new positions. Maybe take some Bitcoin short hedges as, yeah, let me show you my indices chart. So, oh, no, 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 it's just tweaking. Okay. So this is my NASDAQ chart here. Um, I'm honestly going to look to short in a second. So if you guys are watching this early, you might be able to take this trade. But I'm going to see if we can come under the monthly open after sweeping up this high here. And if we start closing under the monthly open, inverse this gap here, I'm looking for shorts at least back down to the low of last session. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the NASDAQ. Hopefully that coincides with the Bitcoin scalp that I'm in. It's about to hit full take profit. So let's see it now. Yeah, it's about to hit full take profit at the previous day open. And that's pretty much it. Just a simple update. We're in pump, syrup, watching Pendle if it reclaims the yearly open. Gold trade fully out, cooked. Waiting for Euro USD to deviate. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple. Doesn't take too much time to check those charts. So again, if you want anything charted, post it in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.